was on regular screens. We ain't had no HD, no IMAX. Now we got 3D goggles to watch this shit. Popcorn, extra buttery, extra sauce too on that. Okay. He was bucking out in broad daylight. Started from play fights. Niggas slap boxing, he stop like a brake light. I rock a Rolex, but never got my time straight. And can't see shit, something like a blind date. Pyrex vision, hologram cocaine. And when I gas niggas, I call it propane. I used to hustle with the briefs under the boxes in my little pocket. Stash orange top rockers. And read up from a dude named Enrique. He hustled uptown, but he lived out in BK. Used to say DK, Diablo, Papo, partners with Pablo. Heron, Italiano, plus the work overseas, custom work, yellow Lambo. Used to let it off like Rambo. Sambo, consignment, his reels need alignment. How the fuck you gonna go to war with a boss when your paper ain't right and your crew half soft? Smearing off vodka shots, vacant lot, parking lots. Sour with the splitter, real nigga, I don't kid a bit. See niggas like toilets, fuck it, I'ma shit a bit.
Ready or not, here I come. Red berries to rock, red dots on them. Marvin Gaye, know you heard through the grapevine. That dope getting stepped on, great wine. Everything you did, I did 8 times. Let the Falcons fly like the 8 times. Now I never thought I'd really make. See Medusa's face on my pillowcase. When them doors go up on the goal end, your bitch gon' swallow it with no hand. Montana should've been on the first track. Getting all his hands and I ain't learned yet. Pimping them hoes, sipping the yak, dipping the rose. Your bitch in the back. Word upon, I'm clapping off. Catch you in the apple, or to turn your brains out with salt.
Straight out the bag, niggas act crazy. Hit 'em with the mag, pull out the jag, cause that's all they had. Up in the streets, you knew the goons paying sag. In the RE, we deep in this bitch. SP rocking in the streets in this bitch. Middle fingers up, you don't really give a fuck. Niggas are trying to hustle just to make a fucking buck. Just to make a fucking buck. Just to make a fucking buck. Niggas lay it down just to make a fucking buck. Hey, it's real out there, it's real out there. Them haters, they get killed out there, get killed out there, man. You a liar, set your house on fire. Ain't nothing, man, I think you wear wires. Hang 'em off the roof with the noose. Goddamn, they done let the goons loose.
Golden monk, drunk, heavy dick, pieces of gold. Shave a nigga face, machete niggas quick. Indoors with whores, they soldiers, however it go. We gon' poke, kill, fly, ride and roll. The most in shape, destroying ghosts. With more back is scoliosis, yo, I runs in frontin'. Land best ball of shark with a red clock on, no question. Built for the reserves, I just swerve laughing. I'm usually around birds, not 6-1 strap kid all out of time. Mac in the lap of my dime, I just advise niggas stay on your grind. Forfeit the game, never nigga what? I'm shedded most better, we will sever your son out the slum with the vultures. Dinosaur chains and roasters, don't come around, we approach
When I come through, I never fear. Yeah. Yo, I'm like a sniper with a rifle. Every man will get dead.
Yo, deeper in the lost tribe of Shabazz, I'm walking through a lake full of riches. You see all of these diamonds dripping off me. Need to get the pouring wine in my glass, having a seat and listen to signs when diamonds are sparkling, glisten off me. We ball until they call police and they trying to report me. We washing all this bread like a nigga doing the laundry. See a nigga trying to chill while you niggas trying to force me. Bitches cleaning my ratchets, I'ma get the blaming them shortly. Who the fuck you trying to step up like you some kind of contender? You the bitch.
Oye, ¿quieres jugar videojuegos? Pues yo sí quiero. No he visto la luz del sol en años. Vamos a jugar.